How to log into Discord account on desktop. So let's get started. First of all, open any web browser on a device, or if you have already downloaded the Discord app, then you can open it. But I do not have any Discord app, so I'm logging in using the web browser. Then in the search address bar, all you have to do is type down the Discord and hit enter. Then simply navigate to the Discord's official website. And once in there, you can see login option available at the top right corner of your screen. Now simply tap on the login and you'll be navigated to enter your credentials. Then all you have to do is you'll get to see email / phone number and password, or check remember me option available there, and there is a QR code option available right next to it. Type in the email address or phone number you use to register and enter your password. But if you have the Discord code logged into your mobile number, then you can simply sign in using the QR code. So here all you have to do is open the Discord on your mobile device and open the camera on the Discord and simply scan this QR code available here, and you'll be logged into your Discord account easily. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.